Voiced and voiceless consonants are distinguished by whether the vocal cord vibrates when they are articulated. Each consonant is categorized by the manner of articulation, the place of articulation, and whether it is voiced or unvoiced. Today, we will be looking at the right pronunciation of the 24 voiced and voiceless consonants. Let's jump right in. This sound and this sound are both bilabial plosives. However, one is voiced and the other is voiceless. These is articulated as b. Can you feel the vibration around your vocal cord? Say the sound b. And these is articulated as p. Both sounds are produced with the two lips coming together. B, p. And they are two different sounds. You can find this in words like birthday, brother, and these in words like pentagon, painful. This sound and this sound are both alveolar plosives. One is voiced and the other is unvoiced. D, t. You can find it in words like door, dog, and these in words like tiger, tomorrow. These is articulated as g, g, and this is articulated as k, k. You can find the sound in words like goat, garden, and this in words like king, kick. The sound is voiced and this is voiceless. How do I know? When pronouncing the word, you feel vibration around your vocal cord when it is voiced. When it is voiceless, you don't feel any vibration. Before I proceed, I would like you to subscribe to my exquisite channel by graciously clicking the subscribe button below, as subscription is absolutely free. Welcome to Level Up with Coach Irene. Again, let's look at the labiodental fricatives. This sound is articulated as v, and this is articulated as f. Of course, this is a voiced sound and this is a voiceless sound. You can find this sound in words like vas, van, and this in words like fish, father. For the next sound, we're going to be looking at the dental fricatives. I find this sounds interesting. This sound and this sound. Well, this sound is a voice sound and this is voiceless. This is articulated as v, with your tongue in between your teeth. V. And this is articulated as f. The difference between them is that one is voiced and the other is voiceless. You can find this sound in words like they, their, and these in words like think, thought. Can you spot the difference? The next sound we have here are both alveolar fricatives. This is articulated as z, and this is articulated as s. This is voiced and this is voiceless. Of course, I have explained why this is voiced and this is voiceless, because of the vibration when you articulate the sound. Whilst when you articulate the sound, you don't feel any vibration. Can we try articulating it again? Z, s. You can find this sound in words like zoo, zip, and these in words like snake, snow. These sounds are both palato-alveolar fricatives. You should know that this is a voiced sound and this is voiceless. This is articulated as j, and this is articulated as sh. You can find this in words like measure, treasure, and these in words like shine, shed. Another pair we're going to be looking at is the j and the ch. They are both palato-alveolar affricates. I said j and ch. You can find this sound in words like Janet, George, and these in words like chalk, cheer. Can you guess the voiced sound? Of course, these. When you say the sound j, you feel the vibration. I like to call them the masculine sound and the feminine sound. Let's look at the next sound. If you rightly observe, we have been looking at the consonant sounds in pairs. To proceed, we're going to be looking at the others one after the other. Bear in mind that the pairs we just looked at have same manner of articulation, place of articulation, although the difference is that one of them is voiced and the other is voiceless. However, they are different sounds. Let's look at this sound. This sound is a glotter fricative voiceless sound. It is articulated as in house, hat. Note that the voice sound are 16 in numbers and the voiceless sound are 8 in numbers. So we are done looking at the voiceless sounds. For the rest of this video, we will be looking at the voice sounds. This sound is an alveolar nasal voiced sound. It is articulated as in nestle, nail. This sound is a velar nasal sound. It is articulated as as in sing, bank. This sound is an alveolar lateral voice sound. It is articulated as oo. You can find it in words like lemonade, leave. This sound is a palatal approximant voiced sound. It is articulated as ye, not g. Ye, as in yes. Yacht. This sound is a bilabial and velar approximant voiced. It is articulated as w, as in water, watch. This sound is an alveolar or post-alveolar approximant voiced sound. It is articulated as sometimes r. You can find it in words like red, run, rope. That's the way they sound. It is a bilabial nasal sound. It is articulated as You can find it in words like maneuver, milk. Wow, I'm super elated. We are done with the 24 voiced and voiceless consonants. I trust that you got value. Do well to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our exquisite channel. I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.